2006 Honda Ridgeline, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to actually reset your service maintenance light. So go ahead, turn the ignition on, come over here to select button, press select button, bring it to the screen where it said service due soon, hold down reset for about 10 seconds. Then where it says N, that's for no, you come over here, click reset, change that setting to yes, hold on reset, and it said highlight reservice to 100%. So that's it. That's how you reset your service maintenance light on the Ridgeline.